Cloudpoem is a watch for men and ladies, unisex, that anyone can wear, and it's a sports watch, a fitness watch, you name it. It's a smartwatch. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside this box. Nicely laid out is your watch. It comes in a number of colors, so check online for your color, instructions, and the cord to plug in. The watch takes a magnetic dedicated cord, so you cannot just plug in any cord. And you're going to find on the back of the unit it goes in correctly one way to plug in to charge. On the watch it has a film. Please peel the film off. When you turn the watch on, it should turn on by a press or so. And on the back of the unit, there'll be a number of lights that will flicker so it'll show that it's checking your heart rate, blood pressure, etc., etc. There is a button on the side, as you can see right over here. It shows the charging of the battery. If you're unfamiliar on how to do things, that's why they give some instructions and a lot of information provided in the guide. The watch is set up to be picked up with a vibrate and show a clock. And on the back of the unit, there are a number of areas of interest. So if you have to change the color band, you simply press in, pull out, and the band is very easily changed. Make sure it locks into place by giving a little tug. So if you don't like wearing the watch this particular way, and you want to wear it with this on the other side and having it correct way, that's how you would change. There is an application called Smart Wristband 3. We're going to open it up. There are a number of things you can only do in the smartwatch. So if you wanted to get to the messages and you wanted to get to the areas of interest like so, and if you wanted to get to the cog, which only give you a number of informations, we have a lot of things to do here. So we're looking for settings. And in the settings, we only have about, switch off, and reset. There's not much we can do until we get into the application itself. We have found the application through the QR symbol, and there is Smart Wristband. With the app downloaded, we have to agree to the terms and log in. Once we log in and create an account, we're ready to move forward. Okay, so we have to fill out our profile. Once you go to Bluetooth, select the device, smartphone, pair. There's a new version of the app, downloading. We're upgrading just like that. The update was successful, and we see in the application we have a lot of information to go over, and we want to set our phone up before we do anything. So we need to go into the device. We have a dashboard, heart rate, blood oxygen, and so forth. We can unpair the phone. Look into the dashboard so we can change the actual clock's front. Up, it's Christmas time, so let's synchronize the dial. Give a little shake to wake the watch up. There should be a shake mode. And we're completed. We go into the profile. We go into the settings. We can see the unit. We like to keep in what I like. And we have feedback, privacy, and about. We back out. We can see the goal. We can see a help, third-party services. This is the amount of steps we can do. We could fill the profile out, now wait, and so forth. If we go to sports, we have all this different information that's provided on the top. and we can add our own. We can go to the home. We have a little notepad, the steps, today's data. We have the weather. We could change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If we look in the device and we look for more settings, this is the interest. Shake to take picture, find the watch, display timeout. I like my watch to be on for the longest. 24-hour system, device language. I set the watch up the best I can, and now I'm going to go wear the watch. Very simple to put on. Very comfortable indeed. It's not super tight. I shake it up. It's already set to the date, and the date shuts off immediately. So let me turn the watch on by tapping and going into how many steps I can do. I want to see my heart rate. So I let it stay on the heart rate, the beats per minute, 85, 89. It should give it to me in a number of seconds. I want to check my blood pressure. It'll measure my pressure. It says 97% of SpO2, my oxygen. So I can go see the hours and minutes and so forth and the temperature right now. So there's a number of things I could just basically do without getting into great detail of the phone and the camera. If I want to set other things up, I will go into the application and do that there and have fun with my unit. It's going to take me a little time to learn. I could do my training. I have outdoor running, bicycling, swimming, rope skipping, badminton, tennis, mountain, walking, soccer, and all these exercises I want to do here. If I scroll back to the window, I could go to music and listen to what I have on my smartphone. If I want a stopwatch, I hit the stopwatch and I could simply just count. And I could recycle and reset. If you're looking for something very easy to operate, very simple for your fitness, maybe this product will be right for you to give to a gift to someone that likes to exercise, go along and wear watches. I hope you enjoy your smartwatch no matter what you do. It has a good number of features to get you started in your activities. I set myself up to walk. I'm going to go walk now. I'm not the fastest walker, it just wasn't a nice day, and I did my best sharing the fun with a smartwatch. It's 54 minutes, and I had my fun walking around, and I'm going to hit the stop button. I did 177 steps in an hour's time. So you get the idea of a smartwatch. If it's a product that you're looking for your activities, once again, I hope you enjoy your watch.